Attorney Jonathan Elson, reminding you that if you've been injured in an auto accident, it's important to have somebody on your side. When you need a lawyer,
then you need Nelson.
Judge Lisa Chamlee presided over today's arraignment in Pahrump Justice Court. The defendants include 39-year-old Eric Garcia, 30-year-old Mickey Cagle, 50-year-old Danny Hicks, and 49-year-old Vicky Bockley. All four were arrested last week after a weeks-long investigation into the alleged abuse. Today, they face dozens of serious charges that could put them behind bars for the rest of their lives. The child victims were allegedly given alcohol that made them sick and reportedly sexually abused by all defendants on multiple occasions. Investigators say that the children were able to describe in detail numerous acts of sexual abuse involving all of the suspects. Some of the reported abuse included acts of bestiality. Chief Deputy District Attorney Kirk Bitto argued for higher bail for each of the defendants, asking the judge to set bail at least $500,000. The defendants' attorneys then argued against higher bail, saying that their clients have strong local ties and do not present a flight risk. After hearing those arguments, Judge Chamlee decided to increase the bail for each defendant.
The real concern that I have here is that the defendants are facing a substantial number of years in prison if they are convicted of these offenses. And my primary concern is I don't want anybody to flee the jurisdiction. And when you have a heavy sentence that you're looking at upon conviction, I know that that does substantially increase the flight risk. So that is a big part of the decision, the decision that I'm going to make in each of the individuals' cases of bail. So for Mr. Garcia, his bail is currently set at $200,000 cash or bond. I believe that in lieu of the fact that the state has filed a total of 10 counts against Mr. Garcia, I'm going to set bail at $800,000 cash or bond for Mr. Garcia. The next defendant will be Vicky Bockley. Bail is currently set at $50,000 cash or bond. Looks like the state increased the number of charges against her as well. I'm going to set bail at $500,000 cash or bond on that case. For Mr. Hicks, he was booked in, it looks like, on the same number of charges. I'm going to increase the bail to $250,000 cash or bond. And for Mickey Cagle, we have a total of 4 charges here. It looks like he was booked in on 3, $200,000 cash or bond.
Garcia, Cagle, Hicks, and Bockley will continue to be held in the Nye County Detention Center. All 4 will be in court again for a preliminary hearing on February 27th, at which time the state will present evidence against them. News 25 met Vicky Bockley, seen here in the red sweatshirt, when the Nye County Sheriff's Office delivered Christmas toys and gifts to the family back in 2017.